What's up, nerds? Personal Tech here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to enable crouch toggle on Days Gone PC. There are two methods to doing this, so I'm going to show you both methods in today's video. So right now I have a controller inputs just to show you guys that they are in exact working. Right now we are on hold for crouch. If we go to options, go to controller, view controls, it says crouch hold. Due to the latest update of Days Gone, they changed it, so here's two methods to changing it back. First method is to go to options. You can do this within Steam or within the game. All you gotta do is go to controller, go to customize controller, then this pops up. All you gotta do is click on edit layout, go to crouch and slide, which you should be on foot, by the way, on foot. You click the gear icon next to crouch/slide, then go to settings, then right here where it says toggle, you turn that on. And then when you go back to view control, it will still say crouch hold, but when you play the game, when you crouch, it's a toggle now. Moving around, and press it again, it's crouch toggle. Crouch, it's a toggle. That way you could be in your scroll wheel and everything is all good. Okay, I reverted back to the old method to show you guys the second method. All right, for the second method, we have to go in the game's files and just change it from there. So what you have to do is press Windows R to open up Run, type in %app data, and then % at the end, and click on enter or click on OK. This will put you in a folder of roaming. You want to go back to it, or you want to go up a folder into app data, then go to local, then go to bend game, saved, then down to the config folder, Windows no editor, and then input configure settings. Right click this and click on edit in notepad. These are just the script settings for the game, whether it's your keyboard or your gamepad. I'm going to zoom in for us just to see y'all, just to show y'all. There it is. I hope that's good enough for you guys. To change crouch, we just got to look for the action button crouch, and there's many because some of them are your gamepad and some of them are your actual keyboard. So on the very top of the script, you'll see crouch, and then you'll see key equals gamepad face button right. That's either circle or B on whichever gamepad you use, whether it's PlayStation or Xbox. All you want to do is just change this to toggle. You're just going to go to crouch and put in between crouch right here, just type in capital T and then the rest lowercase and type toggle. Just like that. And then all you want to do is click on Control S to save it, or you can click on file and then save. Then we can exit out of here. I'm going to zoom out of that. And then we can load back games dog. Now back on the PlayStation controller, if we go to settings, go to controller and view controls, now it says crouch toggle. Back then it didn't say it, but it still worked. That's because of Steam. It doesn't really matter, but now it's saying crouch toggle, and every time we click on this is toggled. And then we click this, toggle, this, toggle. No longer holding it no more. Click disclaimer that every time this game updates, or whether the devs give out an update on Steam, doing the second method, you will have to do it again. You can always keep it on Steam and click on toggled for Steam, but when this game updates for the second method, you will have to go back into the input config files and type in toggle again. That's if they keep updating the game, which, you know, could be a high possibility. If you guys enjoyed the video, if you did, don't forget to smash and subscribe, and I'll see you dudes in the next video. Don't forget to dream big and stay peace.